Welcome back to Adhyana Tutorials, and this is your tutor Arpita. Today we are going to start with the first unit of finance jot moi tumalukok kisuman important topic and probable questions for your HS final year 2025 or exam or karne provide korim. Okay, so let's start with the first important topic, that is a note on RBI. RBI is the Central Bank of India, also known as the Bankers Bank, okay? Which means RBI hol main bank of India, aru ami RBI ki boli jano Bankers Bank. Etia Bankers Bank kyo? Ama customers of commercial bank etai jibur facilities provide kore ba commercial bank e amar karne jibur kaam kore he gutte khini RBI e commercial banks or karne kore, he karne RBI is known as the Bankers Bank of India. Okay, next, full form, it stands for Reserve Bank of India. It was established in the year 1934 under the RBI Act of India. Okay, tar mane RBI full form hol Reserve Bank of India aru sthapito hoisile, established hoisile mane RBI sthapito hoisile 1934 ot kuntu actor under RBI Act of India 1934. But judio sthapito hoisile 1934 ot RBI functioning মানে কাম কৰা start হৈছিলে from the year 1935. Okay, now next up, the next important topic is about the management of RBI. মানে RBI কোনে manage কৰে? We have two boards. First up is the central board and then we have the local board. Central board we have one governor, 4 deputy governors and 15 directors, wherein amar governor aru 4 deputy governors of central government appoint kore and amar 15 directors of governors appoint kore. Okay, next up we have the local boards that is situated in the 4 metropolitan cities of India, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. So north head or office to us in New Delhi, south head or Chennai, east head as a Kolkata and west head as a Mumbai. Next up we have the functions of RBI. Okay, ito exam 6 to 8 marks or karne ahibo pare. The first function is monetary authority. It monitors the monetary policy of India. Tar mane RBI look after kore ba control kore ba sai je amar India juntu monetary policy ase, mane paisa India keneke use hobo ba keneke paisa to use korile amar juntu India economic objectives ase hebur fulfill hobo, he gutte khini kune monitor kore? RBI. Okay, the second function is regulator and supervisor of financial system. It prescribes parameters of bankers operation and protects depositors interest. Tar mane RBI regulate kore mane control kore and supervisor mane upore upore sai die kiba jodi help kiba jodi commercial banks e bhul kore hetu kune regulate koribo ba supervise koribo? RBI koribo. Okay, so RBI ki sai je bankers operation to juntu amar rules and regulations dia ase prescribe kora ase tare hisabot hoy ase na nai and protects the depositors interest. Mane ami depositors e kihor karne deposit koru paisa to jate ami eta interest pau, eta certain amount juntu ami extra ke pau, he gute khini amar juntu depositors or interest to fulfill hoy ase na nai, amar purpose to fulfill hoy ase na nai, hetu RBI ensure kore. Third is manager of foreign exchange. Responsibility and powers of foreign exchange. Tar mane bidehor logot jiman khini amar foreign exchange hoy, paisa junkhini len den hoy, foreign reserves juntu ami pau foreigner pra bidehor pra, he gutte khini kune manage kore? Amar RBI e manage kore. Okay, issuer of currency. It issues currency notes except 1 rupee notes that is issued by the Finance Ministry of India. Tar mane amar India ami junbur notes use koro hebur kune issue kore, kune print kore? RBI print kore, except ito exam ahibo pare 1 marks or karne ki 1 rupee notes kune issue kore? It is issued by the Finance Ministry of India. Rest 2 rupees or pra gutte khini amar RBI issue kore ba print kore. Next, banking functions. RBI is the banker to government and also it is the banker to banks. Banker to banks I already bujaisu. So banker to government mane government ko junto loan lage huge amount of loans lage right government hikhini amount commercial banks e provide koribo nware so junkhini loan government lage he gute khini RBI e provide kore ba government junto jodi kiba advice lage he gute khini advice RBI e provide kore okay that is why it is also known as the banker to government. Then this is the most important function of RBI, that is it is the lender of last resort. Lender of last resort to exam bahut details hude so moi etu tumalukok separately bujam okay. The next function is regulation of NBFC. NBFC mane non banking financial companies okay. RBI regulates and supervises NBFCs. तार माने non-banking financial companies और करने RBI mandatory माने compulsory कोरी दिए कि non-banking financial company एता काम करार आगते RBI पुरा registration certificate तो issue कराबो लगिबो तितिया है जाय पिने NBFC एता काम करबो पारिबो बा start करबो पारिबो okay. The last function is developmental function. तार माने RBI काम करे and directs commercial banks to lend loans for rural development. तार माने RBI encourage करे commercial banks कि गाँवर एरिया जाते lend करिबो पारे commercial banks से जाते आमार गाँवबोर आरो develop होबो पारे okay. So that sums up all the functions of RBI. RBI is known as the lender of last resort and issuer of currency notes. এই দুটা পয়েন্টস এনেকুৱা যোনটো এক্সামত এই দুটাৰ মাজত যিকোনো এটাৰ ওপৰত কোৱেশ্চন আহিবই দ্যাটস কম্পালসৰি সো মই এই দুটা যদিও এটো মই তোমাক আগতে অলপ আগতে বুজাইছো এই দুটা আৰু অলপ ডিটেইলছত এবাৰ কৈ দিছো ভালকে শুনি লবা. Why is RBI known as the lender of last resort? Lender mane somebody who lends money, mane paisa diye, okay? So RBI enukwa eta institution hoy, financial institution hoy, juntu commercial banks ok titiya paisa lend kore, jetia commercial banks dubiba ulaise. Let's read this out. It prevents banks from collapsing. It protects interests of depositors. Provides loan to commercial banks against securities. Mane bhabilwa amar logot jetia ghoror like savings na thake amar jodi savings nai as students ami ki koru amar parents or pra khoju last option parents. Similarly commercial banks or parents kune hoy RBI. So jetia commercial banks bhaba hiyotor gute funding শেষ হৈ গৈছে আমাৰ ডিপজিটস খিনিও ইহতে ইউজ কৰিলা না এতিয়া একো পয়সা নাই সো আমি যোন মানুহবোৰে আমি ডিপজিট কৰিছো মানে ডিপজিটাৰ্স আমাৰটো ইন্টাৰেষ্ট খিনি সেভ কৰিব লাগিব নহলে তো ইকোনমি ফল হৈ যাব সো হে গুটেখিনি যাতে আমাৰ সিস্টেমটো কোলাপস কৰি না যায় কমাৰ্শিয়াল বেংকছে RBI ৰ ওচৰত যাই পিনে RBI ৰ পৰা লোন লয় এগেইনষ্ট what against specified securities kisuman securities di de RBI ok and in return RBI commercial banks ok loan provide kore okay. Next is issuer of currency notes. Issuer of currency notes mane moi ki koisilu RBI currency print kore ba issue kore except 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins kune issue kore Finance Ministry of India okay. Issuer bile kyo koy karon gutte India governmentor tateo he authority ba he right to nai je amar currency print koribo the sole authority mane the only authority to issue notes kar logot ase RBI logot ase he karone it is known as the issuer of currency notes. Etia we are going to study about the credit control techniques of RBI ঠিক আছে. Credit control techniques ok ami duta part divide koribo paru that is qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative fixation of margin requirement, rationing of credit, direct action and moral suasion ahe okay. While quantitative measures are bank rate, repo rate, reserve repo rate, open market operative, cash reserve ratio, statutory liquid ratio, liquidity adjustment ratio ebur ahe. Etia moi tumaloko gutekhini details ot nubujao I'll just pick out some of the important points and tumaloko hikhini moi bujai dim okay. Qualitative or pura direct action mane কিছুমান সিচুৱেশ্যনত যদি কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকছে কিবা ভুল কৰিছে RBI গোটেইখিনি কন্ট্ৰোল নিজৰ হাতত লৈ পিনে পেনাল্টিজ লগাব পাৰে কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকছৰ ওপৰত হেতুকে কয় ডাইৰেক্ট একচন নেক্সট ইজ মৰেল সুৱেশ্যন মানে কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকছক RBI মোৰাল প্ৰভাইড কৰে মানে কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ লেন্ডিং কৰিব লাগে বা কৰিব নালাগে হে গোটেইখিনি মোৰাল প্ৰভাইড কৰে RBI কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকছক ওকে quantitative measures first ahe bank rate mane juntu rate RBI provides loan to commercial banks okay hetu bank rate boli koy repo rate is ekdom similar to bank rate mane juntu rate RBI lend koribo commercial banks reverse repo rate tar mane repo rate ulta repo rate mane juntu rate RBI lend koribo reverse repo rate মানে যোনটো ৰেটত RBI কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকছৰ পৰা বৰো কৰিব মানে ধাৰ লব ওকে নেক্সট আপ ক্যাশ ৰিজাৰ্ভ ৰেশিও মানে আমি যোনখিনি পইচা কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকত ডিপজিট কৰো সেই ডিপজিটেড পইচাৰ পৰা এটা সাৰ্টেন এমাউন্ট কমাৰ্চিয়েল বেংকছে RBI তাতে দিব লাগে ঠিক আছে ডিপজিট কৰিব লাগে সেই ৰেটটো ক্যাশ ৰিজাৰ্ভ ৰেশিও বুলি কয় Next up, we have statutory liquid ratio বা SLR. SLR মানে আমি deposit কৰা পইচাৰ পৰা যোনখিনি পইচা commercial banks নিজৰ লগত ৰাখি থয় হেতুক SLR বা statutory liquid ratio বুলি কোৱা হয়। এই এতিয়া bank rate, repo rate, reserve repo rate, CRR and SLR এই গুটেকিটা ৰেটে ডিফাইন কৰে কি পাব্লিকৰ লগত পইচাৰ লিকুইডিটি কিমান থাকিব এতিয়া যদি এই ৰেটস বোৰ বঢ়াই দিয়ে RBI তেতিয়া আমাৰ পাব্লিকৰ লগত লিকুইডিটি মানে পইচাৰ লিকুইডিটিটো কম থাকিব অন দি আদাৰ হ্যান্ড যদি ৰেটস বোৰ কমাই দিছে তেতিয়া পাব্লিকৰ লগত পইচা বেছি থাকিব ওকে so this sums up all the credit control techniques of RBI etu exam ot hudha hoy so make sure ei gutegita points tumaloke bhalke saisa okay now we will discuss about the important PYQs on RBI before starting the PYQs moi eta kotha koi diu ami yar agot jikhini discussion korisu tate we did not cover the different methods of note issue of central bank jot minimum reserve system and full reserve system cover hoy thik ase etur basis ot exam ot question ahe tumaloke hetu cover kori jaba and also speaking about the different departments of note issue বহুতটা ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টস আছে তাৰে মাজত মই তোমালোকক কেটামান কৈ দিছো that is the department of government and bank the currency management department and the exchange control department okay now jumping on to the important PYQs first off we have give an idea about the internal organization of RBI next year of establishment and nationalism of RBI মানে কোনটো ইয়াৰত establish হৈছিল and nationalize কোনটো ইয়াৰত হৈছে then any two departments of RBI minimum reserve system and what is full reserve system next explain the functions of RBI as bankers bank discuss the different methods of note issue of central bank explain the different credit control techniques of RBI then we have who issues the 1 rupee notes how many local boards does RBI have what is bank rate what is liquidity ratio what is statutory liquid ratio what is repo rate and reserve repo rate why is RBI known as the lender of last resort why is RBI known as the issuer of currency notes okay তোমালোকে এখিনি provided questions খিনি cover কৰিলে তোমালোকৰ RBI ৰ গুটে টপিক টো cover হৈ যাব এবোৰ গুটেখিনি notes তোমালোকে descriptionত পাই যাবা so if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel please subscribe to Adhyana Tutorials and do remember to follow us on Instagram as well as on Facebook this is your tutor signing off thank you